After calendaring, the process enters the forming stage. This is where multiple rubber and fabric plies are pressed together to build the full conveyor belt body. Our forming line not only combines layers but also completes the edge sealing process for belts that require covered edges, giving extra protection and durability. What makes our factory stand out is the ability to finish multi-ply belts in a single operation. With our equipment, we can form a 5-ply conveyor belt at once, instead of stacking and pressing layer by layer. This one-time forming process ensures perfect alignment, stronger bonding, and far greater efficiency. It also shortens production time significantly, which means faster delivery schedules for our customers without compromising quality. During forming, thickness is checked and edges are trimmed, while every belt is tagged with production data for traceability. As the last step before vulcanization, forming guarantees that the belt leaving this stage is precise, well protected, and ready for heavy-duty use.